We're going to change out the toilet supply today because we have a plastic nut and they crack. Hi, I'm Jim the Grumpy Plumber, and I'm going to show you how to do it or reason why to do it. But they have the plastic nut on them and they can crack, and we're going to a brass nut. The plastic nut, when this cracks, it can flood a house. Okay, about 2 months ago, I had a customer that called me, had the problem with the nut cracking. She had about $100 and some thousand worth of damage before we got it turned off. We're taking the plastic right off so that we don't have a problem with it cracking. It's easy to do. You just tighten the nut at the top up here, pull it off, and you unscrew this here. Of course, I got a little head start on it. So the first thing I always do, I try to do the larger nut up underneath here. I hand tighten it to start with. I come back around and I put it on the angle stop. Put your pair of channel locks on it.
That's good.
That.
Heat it up.
Right there.
Steady.
Tighten this one on the top. We got it on, and now we're a little safer, and it's a 2-minute job to do, and maybe tell your insurance agent that you have very safe toilet supplies. Okay, these supply, I actually bought 2 this morning for $5.29, but I've seen them at Home Depot's as much as $7, and even my suppliers can be $7, $8. So you just gotta look around. There's no big deal to them. Your main thing is you don't want any plastic on the supply line, because this is pretty high pressure right here, and it's plastic, and the older it gets, the more chance of it cracking and flooding your house. And boy, then you'll find out what it's going to cost you to do that. So, but thank you. This is Grumpy Plumber. If you don't believe me, maybe you can get somebody cheap. I don't know. Leave that out.